Okay, I want to go over how to install that virtual TI I have. So if you go to course information, you go to calculator options, you're going to open up a PDF. And in the PDF is a link. So I'm going to open up this link. And this is actually my Google Drive. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to download the entire folder. Okay, so I'm not opening up anything, I'm just downloading it. Okay, so from right here. Then it's going to think about it. Okay, we'll see if that worked. I turned it off to watch it download. Okay, now it's downloaded. Now you have to figure out where it downloaded on your computer. I'm assuming mine went to, went to downloads. Wherever yours normally, if you download a file on your computer, where does it go? Mine goes to my downloads folder. When you download it, you could also probably tell it that your computer. Then this is a zip file. So I'm going to click on it and you should be able to unzip it. And it's going to then, and you should have a program. I've never installed a program that unzips. It comes with Windows, I guess, or whatever. And then I'm going to flip on this one too. Then on this, there's 3 files. This exe file, you're going to click on, you're going to click extract all. Okay. I'm just going to think about it. Okay. Now what it's done is you'll see that there is a second file in here. And what it's done is it's at this point, it's unzipped. Okay. Then in here, I'm going to click on, okay. So now I'm going to X off this. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to this new one that just created, right? So this is the one that just unzipped. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to come to this exe file. And then it's going to open it up. So you have to extract it first. And then so it's kind of a couple step process. So what did I do here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to delete this. Oh, I can't delete it because, okay. So I just deleted it. So this is the folder I downloaded. So I went to that file that was on there, downloaded the folder. Once it downloaded, got too many folders here, click on this. It's going to open up like it's doing, but when you get to this, it's going to ask to extract. This is just doing your compressed things. So I don't actually know what program as I said, I've never installed a program that does it. This is now a new file. So now X off this, go back to where you were. It should be in the same place. The new one that it just did, you want to open up that, come here to the exe. I don't know if you can delete the first one, then it should work. I don't know if you can delete that first one or not. I haven't on mine when I use it because, you know, etc. But you can play with that and see what works. And of course, if you screw it up, you can always go back and restart the download. So hopefully that helps you both find it and do it. So if you have any problems, let me know.